Hey guys, welcome back. Another function that we'll learn, which is mostly used in Excel when you are referring or cleaning any dates within a data. Previous video, we saw the day function. Now we'll see the month function. Now month function, similarly as what day does, it will retrieve the month from a specific date, which is in the integer format from 1 to 12. Representing 1 to 12 as a day month from January till December. So 3 denotes March or 10 denotes October. You can also merge this month with various functions like if, yeah, to get some specific output, or if you want to do some calculations or validations, you can do that. Okay, so the basic thing that you need to remember as a function is the month function. As a syntax, it looks like this: month, then you specify the date or the serial number of the date. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to use this same dates which we use for day to retrieve the months of those dates. Okay, let's try to use them once again. So let's do this. So I'll say is equal to, so the syntax is equal to month, and then I specify the date. So this is our date. I close the bracket, say enter, and you get the month of this particular date, that is April 4. Same way, if I try to find the month of the next date, which is formatted in a different way. So this date is again April. Yeah. Let me have some another month. August. Okay. And let me make this October. Yeah. Okay. This sounds good. So if I try to use the same formula for the next date, which is again formatting it in a different way. Yeah. So it gives me the month as October. So it automatically, whatever formatting that you have for date, it will automatically choose the month from that particular date and give you the serial number accordingly. Even though it is written as August here, AUG, which is a short form of August, it has given you the serial number equivalent to this particular month. Yeah, which is 8. Let's try this on the serial number. We remember, if you have seen my previous video, this is 5th of February. So let's see what it gives. So it should be 2. Since it is a February month of Feb, so hence it is giving you 2 as the serial number. We specified the month. I usually use it for various purposes, but before that, let me show you one more thing. Even if I have it as text, so suppose I have this date as text and I want to find the month, still it will give me that month from that particular date. So unless and until you have this dates in a specific format which represents date, it will still give you this serial numbers for the month from 1 to 12. I usually use it like if I have a COUNTIF formula to find out how many of the dates here are of April. So I'll say comma 4. Count if any of the months are April. Okay. So see here. So there is one month which is having the month as April. Okay. So I use this formula in conjunction or in combination with various formulas to get some output out of it, which will help me to analyze the data. Yeah. Hope you understood this function, which is month, which is used to retrieve the month of a specific date. Now, there are a few things that you need to remember. Again, the Microsoft Excel saves dates as sequential serial numbers for calculation. Yeah. The month function returns Gregorian values despite the display format for the provided date. And lastly, if the dates are written in the form of a text, then month function will return the value error. Okay. So if I have the date in the form of a text, let's see, you'll get a value error. Same way for day as well, which I have mentioned in my previous video. So if it is in the form of a text, you will not be able to get the exact month for that specific date unless it is formatted in the format which is accepted by the system. This particular date in the 7th row is also in a text format, but it is written in as per the system format, wherein the month is first, date is afterwards, and then the year. Wherein over here, the date is first, the day is first, then the month and the year. It is not as per the system format. Yeah. Hope you understood this function on month. How do you retrieve month? How you can, I gave you a specific example on how you can use it for data analysis. And yes, if you have liked it, do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics which are at most important to you and you want me to cover it in this 365 days of Excel journey. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all these informative videos directly to your inbox. And also that will keep me motivated towards creating this free content for your people. Thank you so much.